Enabling biometric login on your Binance account can enhance security and streamline your access. Follow these steps to set it up quickly. Step 1. Open the Binance app. Launch the Binance app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version installed for optimal performance and security features. Step 2. Access account settings. Log into your account and navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by an icon or your account name. Step 3. Select security settings. Within the account settings menu, look for the security settings option. Tap on it to view various security features available for your account. Step 4. Enable biometric authentication. Find the biometric authentication option, which may be labeled as fingerprint or Face ID. Toggle the switch to enable this feature and follow any prompts to authenticate your identity. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After enabling biometric login, make sure to confirm and save your changes. You may need to log out and log back in to test the new biometric feature. By following these steps, you can easily enable biometric login on your Binance account, enhancing both security and convenience.